Hello Captains! Welcome back for another episode on Piratera official channel. As far as we know, this month Piratera has released the latest game mode, Arena, with super interesting updates. So in this video, let's explore these features and go through some suggestions to help you rank up. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel to not miss out any news. Now let's take a look at some must-have elements to join the arena. First, you'll need two teams, one for defense and one for attack. In the arena, the defense squad is like the armor to protect your team from other players' attacks. Meanwhile, the attacking squad is to challenge to make an attack on enemies. So basically, you set up a defense squad and other players will find match to attack, and also set up an attacking squad to fight other players. A very cool thing in Arena is the home field advantage. You can decide the battlefield benefits you. There are 5 home fields with 5 unique advantages. Now, the only thing you need is a ready spirit, and let's rock the arena. Since a defense squad needs to be fixed from the beginning, I would suggest you some strong formations that are less affected by position. Daredevil. That's what I will name the first squad, including Alex, Scrub, Dedra, Yuchik, along with Kamichita, or Anglesey to activate the Sea Creature class, boosting magic resistance. For sailors with super quality melee attacks, this squad has a super simple tactic: big is small. When combined with the lab home field, this team will be extremely effective defense. The allies receive a shield with 12% of their maximum health. If you prefer healers, the next lineup will be ideal for you. Tad as a tanker, Sawatafo dealing main damage, Huan as the damage support, Lily and Sojaf as protectors. This will be an annoying squad due to its secure strategy. Healing by Sojaf and Luhi, also the power of wild and support class. However, to defeat enemies, this squad need a really strong damage dealer. So here comes Sawatafo, the most favorable sailor on the marketplace. Whenever this character performs skill, he could blow away the enemy's main damage dealer. Anyone miss Sawatafo? Share with us your experience. Defense is done. Now let's move to the fun part. Attack others to raise off your elo. When in the attack turn, you can freely change and adjust when the battle begins. Remember, the position of the sailor is the key to victory. Since the arena was released, Assassin class has made a splash, so I have rushed to buy 1 Tongs for my team immediately. Tongs is a strong assassin that could sneak attack enemies from their back. The lineup with Tongs should include Scott, Thoughtbreaks, Yuchik, and Alex. If your budget is larger, don't hesitate to replace Alex with Dedra or whatever nice sailor you like. With classes activated, Assassin, Criminal, and Knight, I bet you this team is ready to destroy the backline and steal a lot of elo from opponents. Remember to rearrange the position of the sailors to optimize the strength of Tongs and other sailors and avoid those with long-range skills. Next is a challenging lineup, including Michik, Huan, Kat, Bebe, and Herminia. Or replace the Archer Girl with Hauti to activate Mighty class to boost defense. Michik combines with tanky sailors and the fatal damage from Herminia. This is definitely a voyeuristic and tactical squad. Don't forget to optimize Michik's power by placing her opposite to the strongest enemies. And that's basic guides you need to know about Arena feature, with some tips that will help you to rank up faster. There are so many strong lineups that we will share with you on other episodes. If you have any good suggestions, don't forget to leave a comment so we can discuss together. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, press the bell button to receive notifications for the next video, and follow us on other platforms in the description box below. Goodbye and wish you guys always be on top.